So how many of you have ever been lost? I mean really lost, where you had no idea where you were? Well, I can say I've never really been lost. Been confused many times though when I'm out in the woods. But there's a tool you can use to keep from getting lost, and that's maps and mapping. Hi there, I'm Scott Hinkstrom. I'm a professor at the University of Nebraska Lincoln, and I'm a wildlife ecologist. I spend a lot of time out in the outdoors, studying wildlife, applying science. And it's just basic to our knowledge to know where we are and the features of the land that are out there that the wildlife use. Now, mapping is a tool that we use all the time to demonstrate how wildlife use the landscape. Where I am today is in my backyard. My house is just over the hill. Just over this little ridge here, about 100 yards away, is what we call a turkey roost. It's a spot that the turkeys sleep every night during the wintertime. They fly up in the trees and they roost in those trees. Here we're in a stream bed that the turkeys come to get water. And in addition, there are crop fields adjacent to here that the turkeys use for feed. And so we can talk about habitat and the food, water, shelter that are provided to turkeys right here in my backyard. And we can apply that information to a map. So we can see on this map the land features that are here that the turkeys use. What you saw earlier when you zoomed in from Google Sky and you dropped down here into this site, that was remarkable for identifying the location on the map. But there's so much more there on a map. For example, we have these land features. We can look on this map and see exactly where this stream flows, here and there. We can see changes in elevation. That is the height of this hillside that's here as it drops down into this small valley. And so you saw me come down maybe 15, 20 feet or so. And this map will show you the information by what are called contour lines on the drop and the slope on this hillside. You can see the habitat type that is here. This happens to be in a woodland area, and you can see woods on a habitat map. You can see grasslands on a habitat map. You can see mountains on a habitat map. All that information is really critical for us to get a better understanding about how wildlife, and turkeys in particular in my backyard, use this habitat. So that's how I put science and outdoor skills to use to make myself a better biologist.